I was raised by a Croatian Catholic family close to Stuttgart in Germany. Most of my family is originally from Bosnia and Herzegovina. I have a lot of Christian believers in my family. However, we were not really the every Sunday go to church type of family. I started going to church more often, started reading the Bible, but I felt that there is something bigger. I didn't really believe that Jesus was God in the first place, and I didn't understand the whole concept of Trinity at all. At that time, I was probably pretty nicely brainwashed about Islam, pretty negative inclination about the whole thing. But whoever makes one step towards God, he will make 10 towards him. And that's kind of what happened. I continued seeking knowledge and truth, and very miraculously books, videos, and signs of all kinds were coming my way. For example, I remember one dream as it was yesterday. There was like a book flying around in my dream, and angels were around it, and it was also beautiful and calming. And through like dream interpretations and stuff, I knew that God wanted to tell me that this is one specific book. Obviously, I didn't know at that time that it was the Quran, but later on, once I figured it out and I put the pieces together, I was so grateful, and until today I cannot forget this dream. It's like it was yesterday. Or another sign is like when I opened up YouTube and a video popped up where someone reciting verses of the Quran in Arabic, and I just had so many goosebumps and tears were coming in my eyes, really. So basically, eventually I let go of my ego. God made it way too clear for me, and even before I read the Quran myself, I accepted Islam and spoke out my Shahada in San Francisco back in 2020. My family thought that I'm about to join, so whatever, you know how the brainwashed word works, they thought I'm going to war right away and fight. But once I started picking up knowledge and talking to them openly, they calmed down with time, and they knew that I'm a smart man and I won't do harm to anybody. I just felt so blessed and chosen when I read some verses in the Quran like Allah guides whom He wills, and I really felt so blessed and chosen. I can't put it in words. Looking at it today, it was really amazing how He guided me and continues to do so. I cannot explain how grateful I am to be a Muslim nowadays and to continue seeking knowledge and working on my relationship with Allah.